Today we solve this problem. Find the domain of f of x is equal to under root of x square minus 3x plus 2. Solution. F of x is a function under root of 3x minus 2. This is defined if this under root value is non-negative. Therefore, under root value, that is x square minus 3x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because f of x belongs to real numbers. Therefore, under root of value non-negative, then it is real number. Therefore, solve this x square minus x minus 2x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. This implies x common minus 2 common x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. X minus 1 x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Is x is belongs to minus infinity to 1 closed union 2 to infinite, or x is belongs to capital R minus 1 comma 2. Therefore, the domain of this function is real numbers deducted this open interval 1 comma 2.